everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really cute mini fan that has the kind of a farmhouse industrial look. And in fact I didn't think of making a video about this because it's really simple, and I never thought it was going to have such success. And I just took pictures before of the elements I used, and I thought, well, I'm going to post it to Facebook and Instagram, and that would be it. But it was like I lost the count of how many comments and likes I got. So it seems that people liked it a lot, and I thought, well, okay, even though I posted the instructions on how to make it, I thought, well, okay, I'm going to make a video. Of course I can't make it and show you the step by step because I don't have the elements, are all here. But I think that just explaining you how I made it, you will get the idea. For this fan I used one of those mini fans that you can find now at Dollar Tree. They come, this base is this one, it's kind of the foot, and is attached to the sides of the fan, the mini fan, like here with these screws. So I just unscrew it and you don't need it anymore. Then I use this plunger that you can see here. It's a small one, it's for the sink. And what I did was, first of all, I hope you can see that it has kind of an extra border. I cut it out. You know, this was here. In fact, I think it was this way. I cut it just with the scissors, a pair of scissors, and because it looks much better. Otherwise it looked like a plunger. Then I simply spray painted everything with this Rust-Oleum metallic. The color is flat antique nickel. I gave it 2 hands, and I can see here that there are still, I didn't notice it, some blue showing. You can see it, but when the fan is standing on my shelf, you can see that. Anyways, I will probably correct this and cover this maybe with the rust. Of course, what I did first was to separate the pieces, you know, the cover, the back, and the blades. It's really easy. They are just pressed. You just have to place kind of a knife or something like that, maybe the border of a ruler, like here, and you can open it. I'm not going to do that right now. And then you reassemble it just pressing where the holes are, and you will see there are some kind of tabs that can be placed inside these holes. Of course, the blades also, let me show you here. You can see it here that they go pressed on this, I don't know how to call it, but you know what I'm talking about. So it's really easy, really simple. Once you have assembled the fan, what I did, I want it as a piece of the core, so I'm not going to use it. So I didn't mind that I was kind of, you know, ruin it in some way, because now I can't open it to insert the batteries, because I glued the top part of the plunger, you know, the circle, the handle, I glued it to the cover of the batteries. But if you want it to work, you can find a way to glue it without stopping the lid or the cover of the battery compartment from opening. And most of all, you know, here is a switch to switch it on and off, and I can't do that. But maybe if you cut this circle and you just adhere this part to the fan, you can still use the fan, or find another way to do this. I think that it's just a piece of the core. If you want one that works, you can buy another one and use it as it comes with the original base foot. So it's really simple. Then I use E6000 to glue the handle to the fan, the handle of a plunger. But you can use whatever adhesive you have at hand, even hot glue if you want. I just decided to use E6000. It's something that is not going to be moved frequently, so even if you use hot glue, it's not going to fall apart. And for the rustic look, I use my beloved liquid shoe polish. This one is from Family Dollar, because as I said in many other videos, when I went to Dollar Tree to buy the one-day sale, they didn't have it. Murphy's Law, it always happens. So I went to Family Dollar and bought this one. But if you buy the one at Dollar Tree, it's exactly the same. You will have this. You will get the same result. And it's just a matter of choosing different spots and applying the liquid shoe polish, and until you get the result or the look that you want. And that's mainly it. It's so simple, so easy. And it took me, if we don't think about the spray painting and waiting for the paint to dry, just the assembly, it took assembling it and the previous step, disassembling and everything. I made it in maybe an hour, no more than that. The only thing that takes time, as I said, is painting it and waiting for it to dry. And it measures like 7 inches. It's kind of 7 inches tall. Yes, 7 inches tall. Oops, sorry. And like 4 inches, a little bit more, 4 inches and a half wide. So I hope you like this DIY and you may try it. If you don't find the fan, I found it at the cashier. I didn't see it inside the store. When I was at the cashier, I looked and I saw it, and I immediately knew what I wanted to do. I had the plunger, and so it was like I saw the piece of art of the cord finished in my mind as soon as I saw the fan. And as I said, I found it at the cashier. So I don't know if other stores have it in another place. Just in case, let me tell you, look at the cashier, at the register. Okay, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done it already. Ring the bell to get a notification whenever I upload a video, which is usually on Mondays. Thank you so much for watching and for your comments, and hope to see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.